If your WhatsApp number has been banned or you are facing a WhatsApp account problem, there is a simple way to contact WhatsApp support and request a review. First, open the Chrome browser on your phone. In the search bar, then type WhatsApp Help Center and open the official WhatsApp help page. Scroll down and tap on Contact Us. Next, select your country code and enter the WhatsApp number that is having the problem. After that, enter your email address and confirm the same email address in the next box. Now choose the device you use, such as Android or iPhone. In the message box, explain your problem. If your account was banned by mistake, mention that you believe the ban was an error and request a review of your account. After writing the message, tap the next step and then select Send Question. If everything is entered correctly, you should see a confirmation message saying that your request has been sent successfully. Once your request is submitted, wait for a response from WhatsApp support. If the issue is resolved, you may be able to verify your account and use WhatsApp again as normal. This method is simple and can help you contact WhatsApp directly for account related problem. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.